Hi guys, welcome back to my next tutorial on Flutter widgets. So today we will be extending that login page with the validation function. So if you haven't seen my login screen page, then kindly check that video. So today I will be showing how to create simple client-side validation for that login page. So let's get started. So first need to have a form key. So let me create that first. Form key, which is a global key, okay, which takes the form state. So once you have created this, you need to wrap that scaffold with a widget, which is the form itself. So the scaffold is where the text field widget is placed. Okay, so you need to give a key, which is the form key that we defined above. So once you are done with that, you need to go to the text form field. Okay, here is where you need to have the custom validation. Okay, validator, which takes the string parameter. For this I am giving it as a name. So my condition or constraint is that the name should not be empty. Okay, so I am checking that one. If it is so, then I will be returning an error. Sorry, please enter your name if the text field is empty. Okay, so I do have another condition where I will be checking the length of the input you are giving to the text form field. So as of my constraint, I am checking whether the length is greater than 30 or it should not be less than 2, that is 1. Name can't be with the length 1. So I am adding that constraint here. So if then I will be returning an error correctly. Okay, this is what the error I am gonna display in the UI if any of this condition is met. Okay, so this is for name. So similarly you can have it for the email also. So for the email, let's do it again. Validator which accepts the string email. Okay, so same, if email dot is empty, then return this, yeah, return email. Okay, or else another thing we need to check for the email is that it should have at symbol. Okay, if it does not have at symbol, email dot contains, if it not of email dot contains of at, or not of email dot ends with .com, say, then I'll be returning an error message. Okay, correctly. Okay, so this is the custom validator what you need to have as you want. So we have created that. So we need to call that validator of function inside the on press button event. So where it is here, so we need to write that validator calling function here. Okay, so here I'll be calling that function with form key dot current state dot validate of which returns the boolean value. Based on that, I will be navigating to the next page, page 1 which I have defined. Navigator dot push of context comma material page route takes the builder context. This is the page 1. Okay, so based on the validator I'll be navigating to the next page, page 1. Page 1 I have just having the container with the text welcome. Okay, this is the next page, second page if the condition is met. So we have now defined a custom validator field for the login page. So thanks for watching. Thank you. We'll see you in next video. Bye.